Hi, my name is Will Ellison. I'm a clinical psychologist and the founder and creative director of the Social Play Academy. And this is our Facilitator Training Program for the Dragons of the Spectrum and the Dragons of the Spectrum Plus. This training program is designed to give you everything you need to confidently run both of our flagship programs in your practice or school. We like to refer to these two Dragons of the Spectrum programs as DOTS and DOTS Plus. DOTS is our original program, which then leads graduates into the expansion program, DOTS Plus. Both DOTS and DOTS Plus are structured 10-session play-based social skills programs built around simplified tabletop role-playing games. When group members attend DOTS sessions, they learn to play the DOTS game, create fantastical characters, learn important skills, and then use these skills on different cooperative fantastical adventures. You are the game master, and you're in charge of leading groups on these adventures. But DOTS Plus is different to DOTS in that it is the group members themselves who get to create stories and lead the group on their own unique adventures. In addition to building upon the skills developed in the DOTS program, children learn a wider, more demanding range of social skills in DOTS Plus. Both programs are fun, engaging, and most importantly, designed to support social development in a neuro-affirming way. DOTS and DOTS Plus are more than just structured group programs though. They're about creating safe, positive spaces where kids can connect, take social risks, and feel genuinely successful with their peers. Both the DOTS and DOTS Plus programs are manualised and very easy to facilitate for people without any tabletop role-playing game experience. Each group member receives an adventurer's guide which assists the group facilitator in helping kids and teenagers develop core social emotional skills like teamwork and emotional regulation and flexible thinking and collaboration in a consistent and thoughtful manner. Additionally, with a large emphasis on generalising the skills beyond the group members practice their skills throughout story-driven adventures and gameplay. The Facilitator Training Program is a 2-day commitment where you will learn everything you need to know about running DOTS and DOTS Plus step by step. You will learn how the games work, how sessions are structured, how to guide skill learning, how to run fun collaborative adventures, and how to support a wide range of neurodivergent participants best. This training is interactive and practical and fun, and you'll get access to the DOTS Adventurer's Guide, the Facilitator's Manual, full session plans, activities, facilitator resources, and participant handouts. Our training program is ideal for psychologists, counsellors, occupational therapists, speech therapists, educators, and allied health professionals who want to run group programs that are fun to facilitate and actually work in their practice and school. Now, we acknowledge that promoting social skills requires a sustained effort over a long period of time. There are no quick fixes, and the Dragons of the Spectrum has been designed to be a constant outlet for children to develop their social emotional skills even past completing the DOTS Plus program. Once you've completed this facilitated training, you will also be able to host DOTS Open Adventures indefinitely. Now, these can be held as once-off adventures or a collection of intertwined sessions hosted by either the group facilitator or the group members themselves. At the end of the training, you'll walk away certified and ready to run both DOTS and DOTS Plus independently and continue to run adventures with clients or students on an ongoing basis. Most importantly, you will be equipped with everything you need to bring the Social Play Academy approach to your practice or school. At the end of the training, you'll walk away certified and ready to run both DOTS and DOTS Plus independently and continue to run adventures with clients or students on an ongoing basis. Most importantly, you will be equipped with everything you need to bring the Social Play Academy approach to your practice or your school. If you'd like more information or you're ready to register, please visit our website or email us at admin@socialplayacademy.com. We look forward to you joining us soon.